If eye makeup has ever been a problem for you, whether you have mature skin like I do or not, this, I think, is one of the best eye makeup fixes or eye makeup hacks ever. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If you've been here before, you know I like to share super simple makeup tips with you. Tips that anyone can do. I'm 56, and when our eye makeup goes down or points down, that just drags our face down, making us look even older. So can you see? I don't know how well you can see, but I kind of overdid the side of my eye makeup here. So it's just dragging my face down. We're going to fix this just like that. What you're going to need here is a concealer, and then I'm using a flat concealer brush. I have seen this tip demonstrated saying that you could use a Q-tip. You could use a Q-tip, but after we're done, we're going to do a little bit more blending, and that's more difficult to do if you use a Q-tip. So I'm going to use this very affordable concealer. I think this one's about $7. And then this concealer brush, pick whatever concealer brush that you want. But I want to give you a tip in advance. Because I went a little crazy with my eyeshadow, one way that you can avoid that is try to keep your eyeshadow in bounds, like not going past the corner of your eyebrow. If you can make from here on over your no-go line, you will avoid a lot of mess later on. So just staying right in here, not going past that line. Okay, one of the blessings of real life. I already did this and nothing was recording. So we're going to do it again. Okay, so if you have ever seen any of my concealer videos, then I like to add the concealer to the back of my hand and pick it up from there. I will link one of my mature concealer videos down in the description below, but I will also link it at the end of this video. So here's what we're going to do. Again, I added the concealer to the back of my hand, and I'm just going to lightly pick up the concealer on the tip of this brush and then just draw a line up. And I added a little bit more so that you could see what I was doing and you could see that line. Now I'm going to take my brush on a little paper towel and I'm going to wipe some of that excess off. Now all we're going to do is blend this up and out, and it's erasing all of that extra eye makeup that we do not need. Look at that. We erased so much of that mistake. Can you see that? So now everything is pointing up and giving me a younger appearance. Let's fix the other side. Now we're going to take away that stark white strip. And if you're enjoying this, I'd love for you to come over and find me on Instagram or Facebook at Just Doing My Best. I'm sharing makeup tips over there all the time. Now we're going to take our blush. I've got another super affordable option and just take a little bit of the powder, not a lot, and just kind of blend that just a little bit with my blush. What do you think? Everything is pointing up, giving us a youthful appearance, no blank space. I love this tip. If this was helpful, I hope you'll like this video and subscribe. Watch this video next on concealer. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.